Hey, Olivia, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm good.
Good.
Yeah, where are you from?
London.
London. Okay, so I checked your website. You run
Mhm.
a marketing agency, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now tell me about your yourself and your businesses, how you do and what you do, and what actually the problem you are facing, and how we can solve it, and what your like goal and the success measure or KPI, everything you can tell me.
Mhm. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we've been established as a marketing advertising agency for 20 years now.
Mhm.
So most of our clients are luxury and travel. So we've done travel agencies and boards like we've done Norway, France. Yeah, we've done quite a few like just general tourist boards for countries. We also do orderly travel, which is quite a high end tour operator in the UK. We've done Niara, which were safari operators. I joined the company about a year ago and I brought in healthcare companies. So we've got a private hospital in London who I've been doing the marketing for. So we're kind of just looking to expand our clientele again within the health, travel, and luxury sectors. Our biggest client is Omega Watches. So we do all of their print advertising, so like billboards, anything like their movies. We do those.
Mhm.
So yeah, we're just feeling now things are getting a bit stagnant post COVID.
Mhm.
Most of the inquiries we're getting are social media, and that is something we do, but we want to still have more traditional advertising and marketing inquiries from bigger brands. Over the past couple of years, we get quite a lot of very small companies and startups. And they're just a lot more challenging to work with rather than bigger companies and known brands.
Yeah. So actually, in this situation right now, you are depending only on like word of mouth or referral or maybe something inquiry coming from social media, right?
Yeah, so we also use HubSpot, which does generate some inquiries, but they've not been very good. We don't. Most of them are fake, and then we follow them up, and it's like not a
Yeah,
real
on
person.
HubSpot, there is a lot of fake information. Okay, so tell me, do you try anything like any kind of email marketing or cold mail marketing before? For
No, no, we haven't.
okay, so actually, let me introduce myself. I am SN.
Mhm.
I am a founder of a marketing agency called Sales Squad. We help marketing agencies to get client. Okay, not only marketing agency, any kind of B2B businesses to help them to get client via cold mail. Okay,
Okay.
so it's I believe I send you a video as well, right?
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yes, I've sent it to my colleague who wanted to fact check this.
Yes. So if you jump on my YouTube channel as well, then you can
Yeah.
see there's a lot of videos about cold mail and how
Mhm.
this is work. Okay, so it's mean like you just assume that to your ideal client profile, like on your ICP, who are like this job title, this criteria, that. So we find at least 10,000. It's just I'm giving you an example how the system work. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe you think maybe 10,000 leads we prepare. Okay, 10,000
Okay.
people. So don't you think in a month if we reach 10,000 people from that maybe maybe the lowest 1% people will be interested in our services. So if that is 1%, then also it almost like 100 positive reply from 10,000
Okay.
people. Okay.
Yeah.
So from 10,000, 100 positive reply, you think maybe 50% are not booking the meeting. Okay. So only we left 50%. Oh, from 50 meeting. Okay. So from 50 meeting you are booking. So if you are so good at sales, okay, so the industry standard is so in like 3 4 calls you will book one close client. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you are good at sales, I think it will be like more than that. Okay, so our
Sure.
work is we will do whatever it takes to book your ideal client, ideal leads or prospect to book an appointment like what we are doing right now.
Sure.
They will book a call on your calendar. Your people will join and they will try only focusing on closing clients. Okay, the outreaching method and how to book them to your calendar, the whole thing we will handle. Okay, we will
Okay.
manage everything. We will make a whole it will not like that. Like most of the people, you'll do one thing, like you just send us the payment and you don't know nothing. Okay, so if I am gone, your whole infrastructure will be gone, but we are not like that. We will build a whole infrastructure, and after that I will give you an admin access from the dashboard and all the tools we prepare on setup. So
Mhm.
after maybe couple of months, I don't think it will happen, because if you are getting results, so there will be no option to leave us, right? So
Yeah.
maybe in 3 4 months, if you are not satisfied with our result, then you can take your infrastructure and you can try by your own, or maybe hire someone else. But you already have your infrastructure, so you don't need to spend money on it again. And it's a proven thing. Any kind of B2B business, any kind of SaaS, any kind of marketing agency, they are doing cold mail, because this is the most cheapest way to grow. Okay, it will give you insane ROI. Okay, I make a marketing agency from zero to $35,000, whole by cold mail. Even my website is not indexed on the Google as well. I never do a Facebook ad, Google ad, nothing. I only do cold mail. Okay, I know my
Yeah.
ICP, and after that I go, as you see, like I cold mail your, I send a mail your colleagues. Okay, then we are meeting right now.
Yeah.
The same system we
Mhm.
will implement on your businesses. And when we onboard you, we will send you some form to fill up. Then we will learn more about your targeted market, your ICP, your ideal client profile, everything. We will know that. And after that, we will
Yeah.
make some irresistible offer for your services. Like if you just tell them we do like Facebook ad or we do Google ad for luxury brands, no one will buy that, because they know that. But we will make like we will create some curiosity there. Okay, so like people don't buy any kind of services. People buy the desired outcome, the problem, the solutions they are wanting. Okay, so we will make
Yeah.
some irresistible offer for your services. And after that, we will position your offer. We will try to A/B test a different offer, different copy, different subject line, soft CTA, everything. We will implement it and try which one is giving you good result and the booking ratio is good. So
Yeah.
we will send the email who are interested in our like offer. Then we will send them our booking links, our your calendar link. Then they will book a call with you,
Yeah.
like what we are doing right now in the same thing.
Mhm.
Any kind of, like if you run Facebook ad, Google ads, okay, every keyword has a CPC volume, CPC value. So if they just click, they will cut your money. But it's not like that. Okay, it's not like that. And also on Google and Facebook ad, if you run, so there is a high budget you need that. As well as, like, you don't know who are clicking on your ads. It can be an intern, it can be a senior member, it can be a VP of sales, it can be founder, owner, anyone. But in here we can control that. We only target like C suite peoples, like owner, founder, CEO, who has a decision making power. And
Sure.
a decision maker who give you 30 minutes for a call to pitch your service, I think that's a huge opportunity, right?
Yeah.
So I think we can help you with that, because we are helping like right now we have like 23 clients. Okay, 23 clients, and we are doing cold mail for everyone. Okay, and I think I know what I am doing. And if you just trust us and give us like 3 4 months of time, I think like we can grow your agency's revenue, like at least like 10 20%, definitely.
Okay.
Because it's a proven thing. I'm not giving you any kind of false hope and anything like that. You just think you are sending 10,000 email to anyone. So don't you think 20 people will book a call with you?
Yeah.
It's 10,000 people, and I'm not only sending 10,000. So it can be more, like 20 30,000. And it's not about spamming. If that is spamming, then I'm you are not with me in a call, right? So we'll
Yeah.
pitch your offer, and if they are interested, that people will book a call on your calendar. Only relevant people. And only, you also know that before your call also will be verified, like pre verified. Like it will be not a random call. People will not show up, not like that.
Okay.
Before booking a call with our calendar, you maybe answer maybe 10 question, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So you know that. So if you are not interested and willing to do that, and if you don't want to know more about our service, then you don't have time to like answer my shitty 10 question, right?
Yeah.
So I will make your calendar like those. We have like 10, 12, 10, 12 question on the calendar. So if a prospect want to book a call on your calendar, before joining the call, you will know everything about themselves. Okay. Then it will be easy for you to close them. And whatever the information is needed, if you need like any sales call help and any kind of things, like in the first 3 months we will help you from everything. Like if you want us someone from us, like we will do white level, like you will be the founder, I will be your team member, I will also join your sales call, okay, because this is the things we are doing. Okay, so I think that's a great opportunity. If you just trust us, and cold email can do like insane thing. If you just try once, then you will know that.
Yeah, yeah, perfect. Okay, could I get you to like sort of send us a proposal with like your fees and
Mm-hmm.
everything, and so I can discuss it with both the
Mhm.
founders tomorrow when we've got our meeting.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry, I think we cut out. Would it be possible for you to give us a proposal with like the pricing, the
Yeah.
services? I've got a meeting with both the agency founders tomorrow, so I'd like to discuss it with them.
uh like which agency, founders, your voice is
Yes, the
cutting
founders
down.
of my marketing agency. Can you give
Oh,
us like a proposal, like a
yeah.
cost of your services,
Yes,
so I can discuss it with them tomorrow?
yes, I will definitely do that. And actually, our pricing also depends. Okay, as a
Okay.
base price, we have a base price. But if you want, like, if you really wanted to scale your agencies, you want more sales call, more clients. Okay, you know that, like, if you just assume that in a month you are booking 30 sales call in your calendar, don't you think 5 people will close? It's 30
Yeah.
people, 5 people will close. Okay, so if you want more sales call, then pricing also increases. And if you want a base prices, then also this happened. Okay, so I will make a proper say proposal about the like workup scope and everything. Then I will send it to you on the like email. And do you if you have any question, you can ask me.
Perfect. Yeah, we'll do. Thank you. Yeah, that sounds really good.
Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yeah, no, I've got nothing now. But no, this was really helpful. So yeah, I'll get your proposal and I'll discuss it with the with my managers tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you
Yeah,
so much
great.
for
Thank you so much.
joining the call. And I will send in that email, like we are talking in the email, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. So thank you
perfect.
so much for joining the call, Olivia. Hope
Thank you.
we will onboard you soon, and we will do some great business together.
Yeah, perfect. We look forward to it. Take care.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.